Today we're going to take a quick look at two things. First of all, how to use the new Google Calendar, and second of all, how to use the new Google Calendar to browse resource calendars. Resource calendars are calendars such as a lab, like a science lab, that is available to you to schedule as a resource that you use. So that may also be Chromebook carts that maybe you check out of the library, etc., etc. So to get started, to actually switch to the new Google Calendar, in classic calendar view, we click the big blue button in the upper right-hand corner that says Use New Calendar. Real tough. So once we've upgraded to the new calendar, we have this nice new web look. It ties right with the mobile version of Google Calendar. So if you're using the mobile version, you kind of see the same type of a view, very web-based. So if I want to add a resource calendar, all you have to do up here where it says Add a Coworker's Calendar, click the plus sign and choose to browse resources that are available to you through the organization. So in this case, we're going to browse to the middle school building, and you see these drop-down arrows on the right-hand side, and we're going to choose the middle school. And if I want to add middle school first floor, lab number 1, I can just check the box next to the calendar and it will be added to my Google Calendar's settings. And then I can click the back button over here by the settings in the top left-hand corner to return back to my calendar. Now on the left-hand side you see all of the calendars that I've subscribed to, and I can turn them on and turn them off by just checking the box. Now a resource calendar will stay on your calendar's account until you choose to unsubscribe from the calendar. To do that, you click the elliptical menu, the 3 dots on the right-hand side of the calendar. You go to Settings and Sharing, and scroll all the way to the bottom of the calendar, and click Unsubscribe. Now that I've unsubscribed from that resource, it no longer shows up in my calendar list. So you can see I just removed that particular calendar. Here we'll do one more. We'll choose Lab 2 calendar from the middle school, go to Settings and Sharing, scroll all the way to the bottom, click Unsubscribe, and it is now gone from my calendars list. You can also hide calendars temporarily. If you go back into Settings, you can choose this little eyeball here on the right-hand side of each calendar. As you hover over them, you can choose to enable, which shows the calendar, or click it again and it will disable, it will hide the calendar. So if I want to hide middle school cart 7, I click the little hide from calendar list, and now when I view my calendars, I will not see that calendar in my list. I'm still subscribed to it, I'm still getting the calendar updates, but I'm actually hiding the calendar from my list. And as you can see, I have a pretty long list right now, and I can simply hide those calendars as I wish and just re-show them when I'm ready to view them. That's all there is to subscribing to a resource and using the new Google Calendar. We'll do more videos on how to actually create events and more things inside of the new Google Calendar.